Excuse me, have you got a pint of ZX 5000, please? Thank you very much. Hiya kids, so back again for another video. Different location today, just because. First thing to say before we get onto the technical masterclass that is the ZX 5000 is a huge thanks. A big thumbs up to Billy for passing these my way. Well, we had a few pilsners on Friday in Liverpool. Fantastic guy. I'll pop his Instagram handle along here. He doesn't post pictures at the moment, but you should do, Billy, so get on that, mate. But thanks very much again for what a wonderful donation. Yeah, anyway, so it's a technical masterclass. Oh, I'd also say a quick thank you as well to the bar fella from the Merchant that did that little joke intro just for kicks. So it didn't catch your name, but thanks very much, mate. But anyway, let's get onto the ZX 5000. Okay, so it's 30 years of Torsion, and these really are something else. Absolutely fantastic. Obviously the 30 years of Torsion, they reissued the 5000, the 6000, the 7000 and the 9000. Obviously earlier, or in the past 12 months, we've had the 4000 and the 10,000. So the complete set is upon us. The 8000 is missing. Okay, so that is going to be the most hype release. But from the others, well, from the 5, 6, 7 and 9, I think the 5s are the best of the bunch for me. So let's take a look at these. Let's do a toe to tongue. Love the Torsion lace jewel. Absolutely fantastic. See, the details on these are what makes the shoe. Got the support around the back. And one thing about these issues, obviously 30 years of Torsion. So your insole, hopefully you can see that, just about. And just on the underside of the tongue there, again, it's a struggle to see. Yeah, 30 years of Torsion. Quite hard to film here because obviously the sunlight, yeah. But what a fantastic shoe. Underneath, obviously got your torsion bar and all the details there. Absolutely cracking pair of shoes. So what's next? The Liam Gallagher specials, I guess. Yeah. So anyway, I'll take some photography of these on foot and all that stuff, all that good stuff. I'll catch you next time, kids. See you later. Cheers.